The induction workshop is our chance to meet each other for the first time. You will have a chance to meet students from your own country physically, if you are in Denmark, Brazil, South Africa, Georgia and India, and to connect online across other European countries. Your participation in the induction workshop is crucial, as you will receive important information about the course. It is also your chance to ask questions to the course facilitators. Finally, it is during the induction workshop that we will form the study groups for the rest of the course. In order to gain the most from our time together in the workshop, we ask you to please do the following in preparation. First of all, if you are not already logged into It's Learning, please follow the instructions you have received for logging into the platform. You can already now start to familiarize yourself with the platform and watch the video on navigating It's Learning. Next, make sure to watch all the videos available in the induction workshop plan on It's Learning. This includes the videos on introduction to the course and on our approach to study groups, interdisciplinarity and comparisons. Finally, we have prepared a few exercises for you to complete before the workshop, where you can reflect on the meaning of the key concepts of the course, the rule of law and welfare. You find these exercises on the induction workshop Nano on It's Learning. We look forward to meeting you.